The helicopters look kind of cool.
Yeah, I really hope they're functional.
Like a bridge somewhere.
What the?
You blew up the moment you got on the plane.
I missed it. Let's try that again. I don't know what I did. I'm afraid.
Let's try the other one.
Pressing the sit button. I'm just simply hitting the sit button.
What the?
1 hour.
All right, let's try this again.
No.
I just simply. Oh, I didn't even get in it yet.
No.
I'm afraid to touch it.
Let's try this. You get in first.
I don't want to be the one to fly.
Nope.
It's racist.
Is it your avatar?
I don't know. Alright, Peach, let's do this.
You're in.
Really?
Yeah.
That was my avatar the whole time?
Moments later.
I gotta know, man. I just gotta know. Here we go.
No.
1, a 2, a 3. Oh my. It almost worked at first. Let's try this one last time. Why?
Why don't you try getting on and then switching to it?
Okay. And then if I want to change back.
Don't do it. Don't.